It's always awesome getting new parts. So look, T-Bone Racing parts coming in for the Yeti XL. So they had a deal, kind of like the Cyber Friday, Cyber Monday, whatever it was. Simple product. It's just the top skid plate for the Yeti XL. But this vehicle spends a lot of time on its roof. So I thought, hey, you know what? For like the 10 bucks that they charge for this thing, why not give it a shot? Alright, taking it out of the package, what we see, it comes with some screws for mounting. That's awesome. It also comes with one of these, hashtag RC Armor. I haven't seen that before. It's got a little read before installation, checking your screw lengths, and some of the products have warranties, no returns accepted if you've modified the product, all that kind of stuff. Well, that's new. We have T-Bone stuff on a lot of our trucks. I haven't seen that before. One of the things I'm noticing though when I look at this is, you see how this product is basically just flat. It's like a little bit of a curve down on there. Look at how much the curve is on the factory part. If I lay these up, I mean, look how much that sticks out instead of curving down towards that piece. I think we might need to get the heat gun out on this one and see if we can't get that to curve down there. Let's see what it looks like when we get the top off. When I put this up, the holes look like they line up good, but yeah, there's definitely a little bit of a gap there. Dang, it doesn't look as cool as the factory one. And it doesn't look like it fits quite as well. That's pretty disappointing. I mean, if I'm honest, we use a lot of T-Bone parts. We have some T-Bone on the Slash, I believe. We have the bumper on the Creighton, the bumper on the Outcast, the bumper on the Stampede. Basically, if we get a basher, it gets a T-Bone bumper. Alright folks, there it is installed on the Yeti XL chassis. Not super crazy about it. Hey, hopefully it'll help improve the durability of the top a little bit. Probably not the weakest spot on the Yeti. But hey, yeah, it's something different. We made it unique, we made it ours.